The floors are done, the walls are up, we even installed the cabinets. It's starting to feel so homey. But there's so much more to do.
And this is the graywater system.
We're building our graywater system, leveling the she sheds, installing rain gutters and countertops. We're really working hard on keeping the she sheds off-grid. And with so many people panicking right now, it's even more relevant as to why this journey is so important. The more self-sufficient you are, the less you have to depend on others, and the less you have to react, because you're already prepared.
Hey, family! Hey, neighbor! That's our neighbor, her name.
We're fortunate enough to be surrounded by family and friends excited to help with the project. So our next assignment is to get rid of our temporary sinks and install countertops.
All right, so we already measured out. We're getting ready to cut our butcher block.
We got help from our family at Black Gold Resourcing and Ray Medina Jr. with Reclaimed Corner.
I didn't mark none of those marks. Everything that happens well on the job, that was me. Everything that happens wrong, y'all divided amongst yourselves.
It was there, and there.
There's one thing left to do, and that's cut this hole.
Let's cut it then.
Ray cut out the hole for the sink, and we got an awesome surprise.
That looks great.
Oh, well, this is like a cutting board.
That's a cutting board.
Ray took his work back to his workshop for sanding, and then it was time for us to get to work. We had to seal the butcher block to protect it from water and to make it safe for food.
You right on time. Right on time. How about I want one of those.
You too, boo. What's going on? Y'all been working hard, huh?
Girl,
we gonna put you to work. Okay, it's my turn.
It's
All
your
right.
turn.
That's Latasha Lee, more family who's building on the family land.
So I gotta put you on the left hand side. I gotta move you on the left hand side. You can do what you do on the left hand side. And I'ma do my thing too on the left hand.
She signed up to help seal the butcher block.
So while you cut, I'll read what we're doing.
Of
okay?
course, I'm gonna work.
And I'll just sit here and sweat a little bit. It's humid out here. Oh, Lord.
Really?
She didn't really have a chance to rest long because she ended up playing referee to Safiyyah and I all day and night.
I was saying, let's cut, because I'm about to choke cut. No,
You running into me, girlfriend?
no, sorry, stay in your space. Quick, get over here.
Stay over there.
Safe. Get over there.
Always pushing me out the way.
Get out of my way. Stay in your lane.
Okay.
See, cranky. She mean. I mean, I try to
They've been
tell
having it out.
She's been having it out with herself.
I'm tired of you thinking.
You got reassigned to lunch. We know.
Again. So I did my lunch, and then you come over here like, hurry up. So I didn't get a chance to get
She's
myself.
mad because she keeps getting reassigned.
Oh, goodness. So
I
you
think
wanna stay
she's
put?
feeling a little bit offended by it.
Possibly.
Eventually, the work turned into fun.
So let's stand in the kitchen.
Double check.
You're standing in the kitchen?
Invite me in.
Okay, so yeah, this is my sink, this is the refrigerator, and that's the countertop,
the window.
and that's the window. Okay, we're good.
Now mix the container thoroughly.
Shake your waco.
Okay, there you go.
Oh, look at that.
I think it's right. I think circular.
Oh, my God. That is beautiful.
Oh, now see, look at the difference.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Big
You didn't
time.
see that when you were
Bam.
rubbing?
You brought the beauty out.
Bam. Bam. I can't wait to see these on the counter.
Me neither. I'm ready. I'm excited to see them today.
But first, we've got to let this dry for 6 hours before putting on a second coat.
I would sit back and you get reassigned.
You've been reassigned.
Her assignment, to sing until the sealant dries.
In the sky, yeah, got me floating. That sounds good. Suck it now. Hey, can you do that? Keep it going.
But
Right
let's
over
work
here.
at the
Right over here.
same time.
Don't stop. I'm still
Don't
moving.
stop. But I've been singing all this time. That's all y'all worried about.
Wait, do she want some water or something?
Listen. Oh, it's cold. She ain't been singing for no 6 hours. I'm just saying.
But that's all
You can
right.
have some water. I was putting in work though.
But give me some. That sounds
Yeah.
good.
Listen, we're back. It's been about 6 hours.
Yep.
And so we're ready for our second coat.
all dry.
Now that they're sealed, we'll let the butcher blocks sit overnight, and then Ray will be back to install the countertops.
Dun, 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 dun. Drum roll, please. There it is. There it is. He said, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that looks awesome.
It's only going to get better because now that we have countertops,
We can start to decorate.
Okay, except I think we started decorating before the walls are even up.
No, I was dreaming of decorating, so now I can actually decorate.
now it's the real deal.
So here's your first look.
So Latasha Lee has not seen the final product and she is so excited.
We invited her over so that she can see it for herself, and she's waiting outside.
So we're gonna let her in and we're gonna get her reaction together. Come on in, Tasha. Look at your work.
Oh my God. It's so beautiful, guys.
Is it what you expected?
Exactly what I expected. You know I wanted one too. And look at it.
And now you know how to do it. And guess what? We'll help you when you
We'll
do
help
it.
you. Oh, I would hope so because I just got my butcher block. So.
Okay, so now that we've got all this excitement, we have to say how thankful and grateful we are for you helping us out. Because I heard all the noise going over there today. She is working on her own structure here on the family land. So you took a lot of time out. You sung for 6 hours, so she said.
Yeah, I did.
Well, and as a thank you though, we want to share your video since you started singing and we made you work and didn't let you finish. We're going to share her video with you guys, and the song is
Stuck in my mind.
Stuck in my mind, y'all. Keep it stuck in your mind. GreenDesert.org. Off the grid.
I think we all did good. We work well together, and I think you're a good buffer when Safiyyah doesn't know how to act. So on that note, let's go to music.